In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install HP LaserJet P1566 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, I want you to copy the link that I have given at the description box below. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome and at the Windows address bar, make a right click, click on paste, and click on the enter key in your keyboard so that you would be navigated to the result. Once you are here, please navigate to detected operating system. If Windows 11 is not being detected, click on choose a different OS. And here under the version drop menu, click on this down arrow key set for Windows 11 and click on update. Once done, you need to scroll down, find for driver product installation software, and eventually you can see this full software and driver. So please click on download. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, you need to close the window being open, copy and move that to the desktop. And once you have moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. Now please proceed to WinRAR and click on extract to, and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. And at the settings window, please find for an option called Bluetooth and devices. And from here, you'll see this option called printers and scanners. Click on it. And there, by that, you need to click on add device. And in a few moments, wait until you can reveal another option where you can add a printer manually. Once it's here, click on here. Click on it. And in a few moments, you would be able to open another window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next. And here, and this choose a printer port, click on this down arrow key and select any of these three USB port. And if you have seen in HP port here at the list of choices, you can use that as well. So click on next. And there you can see have this. Click on that one and then click on browse. So here you need to proceed to the desktop, scroll down, find for your extracted file, and then double tap. And then you need to scroll down again, and there you can see three drivers. Select any of this, and then click on open and click on OK. Once done, you need to find for our printer driver, which is 1566. Once you've seen it, you can now click on next and click on next, and we can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed this HP LaserJet P1566 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.